Dear students of class 10, this is the recap of all the problems so far we discussed in the earlier videos, altogether presented here. That will be helpful to you because some of you are writing your negative opinion because you didn't read this properly, you didn't read properly, didn't go through earlier videos. That's why you have this problem. So first of all, you go through this, understand, then you will come to this the videos sent to you. Okay, class 10 mathematics. The chapter we are going to discuss now, similarity. Similarity, it is the discussion about all the problems so far we discussed. Here is the first problem. Model of a ship, the ratio 1 is to 200 given. Length of the model is 4 meter. You have to find the length of the ship. Area of the deck of the ship is 1,60,000 meter square. Find the area of the deck of the model. Third bit, if the volume of the model is 200 liter, find the volume of the actual ship. So first part, 1 is to 200 the scale. The length of the model by length of the ship is equal to 1 by 200. Therefore, length of it is given length of the model is 4 meter. Therefore, length of the ship is equal to, you multiply length of model 2 into length of 200. So we'll find out that is equal to 800 meter. Next is given area of the deck of the ship is 1,60,000 meter square. What is the area of the deck of the model? So area of the deck of the model by area of deck of the ship is equal to 1 by k square. So that is equal to, or 1 by 200 square. So you will be getting, therefore this is your area of deck by 1,60,000 is equal to 1 by 200 square, that is 40,000. So by cancelling you got area of the deck is equal to, deck of the model is equal to 4 meter square. Next it is the volume of the model is given 200 liter. You have to find out volume of the ship. Similarly, volume of the model by volume of the ship is equal to 1 by k cube or 1 by 200 cube. So 200 liter by volume of the ship is equal to, if you simplify, you are getting 8 with 6 zeros. Then volume of the ship is equal to 200 with 8 with 6 zeros. So we are getting this much liters, 10 zeros, 8 zeros liter, was 16 with 8 zeros liter, or 16 lakh kiloliters. You got this. If you convert 1 decimeter cube, dm cube to 1, 10 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 cm cube is equal to 1 liter. So therefore you convert to this one decimeter cube. So this is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 9 dm cube. Sorry, 1, 2, how many zeros? Just count. 10 to the 9 dm cube. Okay. Next problem. If AD is to DB is 5 is to 4, find DO is to C. Second bit, D is to BC. Third bit, area of DOE, triangle DOE is to area of triangle DCE. Fourth bit, area of triangle DOE by area of triangle COB. Okay. So here differently worked out. So that for second bit is obtained, DE parallel to BC. It is given in the question D parallel to BC. Therefore, you can find out triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So AD by R, if you take by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by C. So it is taken here basic proportionality theorem. After that, applied is to find out AD by AB is equal to AE by C. It is up to you. You may take directly, not necessary to take basic proportionality theorem to find. Directly you can take also AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to DE by BC, and place the value of this given 5 by, it is AD given, AD is to DB 5 is to 4. So 5 by 5 plus 4 is equal to 5 is to 9. Okay, clear? So this is your D is to BC is equal to 5 is to 9. Next, to to find out. This is by mistake it is remain there. It is not. Later it is explained again. Area of DOE by area of DCE, that is equal to half H into DO by DC. If you take half base into height, you can find out the area. First, for that you have to prove first triangle DOE is similar to triangle BOC. You can say that is to triangle DOE BOC is similar. Okay, so by AA, look at this properly. DOE and BOC, they are just lying between the DE parallel to BC. Therefore, you can find this by AA that can be similar. So DE by BC is equal to DO by OC is equal to OE by OB is equal to 5:9. So you got DO is to OC is equal to 5:9. Therefore, DO is to DC is equal to DO by DO plus OC, that is by 5 plus 9 is equal to 5/14. Last part lower it is written. Now come to the triangle. Area of DOE by area of DC is equal to half into H into DO, half into H into DC. Therefore, if you cancel half and H, you will find DO by DC, and DO by DC is equal to 5:14. Next, fourth bit. Since the area of triangle DOE is similar to triangle COB by AA, area of DOE by area of COB is equal to DO square by OC square. So 5 square by 9 square is equal to 25:81. Next question. If BE parallel to AD, okay, you have to find out the value of CD. Okay, so for that it is given angle AD, the bisector of angle BAC given. Okay, and you have to find out the length of CD. If AC given 4 centimeter, AB given 6 centimeter, BD given 3 centimeter, you have to calculate BC. For that you require construction. AD as given the figure is the bisector of angle A. So through B, draw a line parallel to AD. So line B is drawn parallel to AD. Line B drawn parallel to AD, and produce CA to meet B at E. Okay, so therefore you will be getting another triangle, that is CBE and CAD are the two triangles in which AD parallel to BE. Therefore, if AD parallel to BE, by basic proportionality theorem, you can say CA by AE is equal to CD by BD. Okay, CD by BD is equal to CA or AC by AE. Clear? And look at here. If it is given AD is the angle bisector, therefore angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. AD drawn parallel to B, therefore angle CAD is equal to angle AEB, corresponding angle. Yes, similarly angle BAD equal to angle EBA. I repeat once more, angle BAD is equal to angle EBA, that is interior alternate angle, right? Since angle BAD is equal to CAD as AD the bisector, therefore these two angles what we form, that is angle EAB is equal to angle EBA. Clear? That means EAB is an isosceles triangle. Okay, if isosceles triangle, then you can say EA is equal to BA. So you got EA is equal to BA is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now apply basic proportional theorem. Since CD by BD is equal to CA by EA, now place the value so that you can find out. CD by 3 is equal to 4/6. So you got 6 CD is equal to 12, CD is equal to 2. If CD is equal to 2, BC is equal to CD plus BD. So CD plus BD, that is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Next question. AD is equal to X, BD is equal to X minus 2, AE is equal to X plus 2, and EC is equal to X minus 1. Find X. So it is given DE parallel to BC. Therefore, if you use basic proportionality theorem, you can tell AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. That is straightly applied here. And simplifying, you can get this value very simple. X by X minus 2 is equal to X plus 2 by X minus 1. So you got, by simplifying, minus X is equal to minus 4, X is equal to 4. Next bit, it is here BD given 2 centimeter, CD given 8 centimeter, AD square is equal to BD into CD. First you have to prove, and next you have to prove AD is equal, how much, you have to find how much AD. For that, it is given in the figure, you can see A angle BAD, angle A it is right angle, AD perpendicular to BC. Clear? If like that, so you can prove, suppose angle ACD is equal to X. Clear? If angle ACD X, angle ADC, that is 90 given in the figure, perpendicular. Therefore, angle DAC, since angle, this three angle sum is equal to 180 degree, therefore angle DAC will be 90 minus X. So that X plus 90 minus X plus 90 will become 180 degree. So therefore angle DAC is equal to 90 minus X. Okay. Since angle BAC is 90 degree, if DAC 90 minus X, therefore BAD will be 90 minus 90 bracket 90 minus X is equal to, simplify, you will get X. Therefore angle BAD is equal to X. If angle BADX and angle ADB is equal to, again perpendicular, so 90 degree, therefore angle ABD is 90 minus X. So we can tell now triangle ADC and triangle ADB are similar by AAA axioms of similarity. Obtain the sides proportion. Keep in mind, sides opposite to equal angles are to be in proportion. So therefore AD by BD is equal to CD by DA is equal to AC by AB. Now choosing first two, you can find out AD square is equal to BD into CD. What is asked in first bit, that you have to prove. So it is proved. If AD square is equal to BD into CD, place the values of BD and CD, you will be getting 2 into 8, 16. So AD square is 16, therefore AD is equal to 4 centimeter. Next, look at this figure. Here, CD, PR and AB are perpendicular lines drawn to the line BD. Okay. Now, if CD is Y unit, PR is Z unit, and AB is X unit, prove that 1 by Z is equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So, for that, triangle PRD is similar to triangle ABD. First we take, I have taken the triangle DAB and triangle DPR. So, you have PR parallel to AB because both are perpendicular. Okay, so therefore angle PRD is equal to angle ABD and angle DPR is equal to angle DAB. Therefore, you can say triangle similar by AA. Hence, RD by BD is equal to PR by AB is equal to PD by AD. Clear? So, if you take first two, RD by BD is equal to PR by AB, you can find out. You got something. Similarly, second part, if you take, if you got this ratio, second part to come by taking triangle BCD and triangle BPR. Again, PR and CD are perpendicular to BD. Therefore, PR and CD will be parallel to each other. So you can prove now this triangle PR is similar to triangle BCD by AA, and you can obtain the ratio again. So PR by CD is equal to BR by BD is equal to BP by BC. Okay. Now choose from here BR by BD is equal to PR by CD. Now if you both look at this carefully, take these two selected portions, that is DR by BD is equal to PR by AB. Here BR by BD is equal to PR by, we have here all these ratios given. So by taking first case, you have taken PR by AB is equal to, you got DR PR by RD by BD is equal to PR by AB, first case. Clear? Similarly, second you have chosen BR by BD is equal to PR by CD. Look at this, BR in the figure, BD by PR by CD. Why we took this one? We want to add both of them so that BD will be cancelled. So, okay, understood? Let us take now, add. Which one to add? BR by BD plus DR by BD. Listen, again I repeat, BR by BD is equal to DR by BD. When you add this, what will find out? BD will be LCM. So BR plus DR by BD. BR plus DR is equal to the whole line, that is BD. So it becomes BD by BD. That is why it is taken like that. That is all is given here. DR by BD is added to BR by BD. So you will find out other side PR by AB plus PR by CD. Okay. So PR is Z, AB is X, PR is Z and CD is Y. That is right side given. When you add this, you become RD by BR, that is equal to BD by BD become 1. Z is bracket 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So you got Z you bring to left hand side, so that 1 by Z is equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. Dear students of class 10, the video so far what we discussed different kinds of problems which is eliminated from the earlier videos. Therefore, it is for your recap again. It is presented, posted for your betterment. Go through this one before giving any kind of comments. Without reading anything, without seeing, without properly understanding, giving comment, it is useless for both the learner and the teacher. Therefore, read properly, work out properly. If doubts, if any, give the comment. Thank you for watching. If you like this, share and subscribe.